Mr. H here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a picture of your math problem on Alex or on a note or anywhere or any subject that you have question on, but your teacher is not available at that time to answer your questions. So what you're going to do is go to the search bar and then type in the Snipping Tool. When you type in snip, they already pop up the Snipping Tool app. So click on that. So you're going to do is click new. Okay, and you see that your screen is kind of white, blurry white out. So you're going to take a picture. You're going to cut the part that you want to save. And you see that they cut out that piece. Now you can save that. You're going to type in the whole thing. The title is chapter 4 practice test. So you know where does this question come from. Practice test. And you may want to put problem 4. So you know which problem on that assignment that you need help on. And then you're going to hit save. Okay. Or if you don't want to type in all of that, you can do is Snipping Tool. You can take a picture of the wider space. So if you cut a picture like this, you will see the title and the problem itself. But however, you cannot see this until you open the picture. Alright, that's it. And save this somewhere that when you come for tutoring hour, you know how to open it back up, how to upload it on the Google Meet or Jamboard. Alright, that's pretty much it. Thank you everyone for watching and see you on the next video.